Hi, I have something from Penhaligon's and let's do the unboxing together. I'm so excited and yeah, it truly is been a while. So yeah, let's do this, okay? Can you guess which one? Okay, this is their newest release, the Dandy. It's just released like this month and then I have it here with me, the Dandy. Still with the cellophane plastic wrap. The looks, yeah, it's totally like inspired by the Gatsby or something that came from 1920s, that jazzy era with the all that booze, rum, whiskey, and saxophone. Well, I kind of like the vibe and the title. It's just the dandy, the Gatsby, the dandy. Okay. Well, I love the design. It came with a bow, um, gold and black bow, as you can see, and the sticker is just the same with the outer box. And well, I love the bottle when they have that emboss or something. So excited to try because this is a blind buy. Well, let's just open it and try this to spray it for the first time. Not the best sprayer, but it's okay. Yeah, I haven't tried any tester of this one. They don't have any testers, so this truly is my very first time trying this one. And I really love it. I don't know why people seems like not that excited about it, but I truly love this type of scent. And I do love this one. Well, yeah, sure, it shared the same vibe as the Straight to Heaven from Killian, but this one is more something like creamier. It has that woody facet that is a little bit creamier than the Straight to Heaven, not as bitter as that one. As my first impression, I'm not complaining. Please try it and tell me what you think.